You need to watch this if you struggle with protecting your business from ransomware. Meet EDR Killshifter, a tool that disables security software and lets ransomware like Medusa and Play run wild. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has your back. We specialize in proactive, multi-layered security to keep your business safe. Our advanced endpoint protection detects threats before they escalate, while our security patch management closes any gaps cybercriminals could exploit. Got employees? We've got them covered too, with top-notch cybersecurity training to prevent phishing attacks. And if the worst happens, our business continuity plans ensure your data's safe and your operations bounce back fast. At Impress IT Solutions, we're not just about fighting today's threats. We're about staying ahead of tomorrow's. So why wait? Protect your business now with Impress IT Solutions, your West Houston cybersecurity partner. Stay ahead, stay safe, Impress IT Solutions.